We're going to see if we can break a record here in Richmond, Illinois. Are we going to be able to break a record? Are we going to get more than 100 people in the train? Okay, here comes Engineer Madison. Nice and slow. Bring the train past the DJ. We're going to count you as you come by. And starting out with Madison is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, halfway there, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Okay, we broke a record. Keep coming. 101, 102. You guys can keep coming through. I'll just count over here. 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, wow, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Where are you coming from? 41, this is great. 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 150, 151, 152, and 153. Wow, we shattered the record. Wow, Madison, you're the best engineer ever. That was great. Okay, this is from a movie.
I like to move it.